A reliable hand mixer is an essential tool in any kitchen, and this Ovente Portable 5-speed mixing electric hand mixer stands out as a superb option for both novice bakers and seasoned chefs. With its combination of power, versatility, and convenience, this compact mixer proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a high-quality kitchen appliance. Here's a detailed look at what makes the Ovente hand mixer a must-have. The Ovente hand mixer is equipped with a 150-watt motor, which may seem modest compared to some high-end mixers, but it delivers impressive power for its size. This motor is capable of handling a wide range of mixing tasks, from whipping up delicate meringues to kneading stiff dough. The 5-speed settings offer a customizable mixing experience, allowing you to select the perfect speed for your recipe, whether you're slowly incorporating flour or beating ingredients at high speeds. This hand mixer is designed to handle various kitchen tasks with ease. It includes 2 stainless steel whisk beaters that are ideal for whipping cream, mixing batter, or blending sauces. The beaters are durable and easy to clean, ensuring they can stand up to regular use. The mixer also shines in making creamy mashed potatoes, rich cake batters, and even light and fluffy egg whites. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for both baking and cooking. One of the standout features of the Ovente hand mixer is its ergonomic design. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, this mixer is lightweight and easy to handle. Its compact form and comfortable grip ensure that it won't cause strain during extended use. The well-designed handle allows for precise control, which is crucial when you're working with delicate mixtures or need to maintain a steady hand. With 5 distinct speed settings, this hand mixer provides excellent control over your mixing process. The lowest speed is perfect for combining ingredients gently, reducing the risk of splatter. The higher speeds are ideal for more demanding tasks, such as whipping cream or beating eggs. Adjusting speeds is simple. Just slide the speed control with a single touch, making it easy to switch between tasks without missing a beat. Cleanup is a breeze with the Ovente hand mixer. The stainless steel beaters can be washed with warm soapy water or placed in the dishwasher for added convenience. The mixer also comes with a handy snap-on storage case, which not only keeps the beaters and power cord organized, but also protects the mixer from dust and damage when not in use. Simply place the power cord and beaters into the case, snap the mixer on top, and store it away neatly. The Ovente hand mixer includes a beater eject button that allows you to safely remove the whisk beaters without any hassle. This feature is particularly useful for quick cleaning or when you need to switch attachments during cooking. The mixer's design ensures that it remains stable and secure during use, reducing the risk of accident. At an affordable price point, the Ovente hand mixer offers exceptional value for money. It comes with 2 high-quality whisk beater attachments and a bonus snap-on case, making it a comprehensive solution for your mixing needs. The mixer's performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys cooking and baking. Ovente provides excellent customer service backed by a 1-year warranty on the hand mixer. This warranty covers any defects in material and workmanship under normal use, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. The company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction ensures that you can buy with confidence. Conclusion: the Ovente Portable 5-speed mixing electric hand mixer is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that excels in performance while offering excellent value for money. Its lightweight design, adjustable speeds, and ease of cleaning make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a casual cook or a dedicated baker, this mixer is equipped to handle a wide range of mixing tasks with ease. If you're in the market for a reliable hand mixer that doesn't break the bank, but still delivers impressive results, Ovente hand mixer is an excellent choice. Order your Ovente hand mixer today and experience the convenience and efficiency of a high-quality mixer at an affordable price. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.